it's Coach with Giant Hand Comics, back again for another CGC unboxing. This one is a signature series. They went out for the Eastman signing. Do not have high hopes for these. If you checked out my previous reel, I'm looking 8.5 to 9 tops. I do, however, have 3 last Ronin that went in there. One of them's got a shot at like a 9.4 or a 9.6. It was not perfect, so I'm not expecting perfection. I also have 2 Ashcans that went in there. Again, those, when I bought them, they came, I think I got them on eBay. They came in and they weren't perfect when I got them. So I don't know what kind of wonders they can work with pressing the paper. But they weren't perfect when they went out. So let's just hope for the best. I know that I have a #1 4th print in there. I know I have 2 first appearance of Bebop and Rocksteady. All books that were like, they had their flaws, guys. So 8.5 and I'll be fine with it. I'm not gonna bitch at all about it. 9.0 would be better, right? But let's see how we did. So I have not looked at the grades yet, but I did crack the box. We've got our comic link advertisement here and some bubble wrap. Got my invoices that I'll take a look at later. And I'll look at grader notes off camera and then look these up on Cover Price and see how the money is. I didn't do that because I've had a long week at school. All right, so let's take a look. First up, that's that TMNT #1 that I spoke about from 1985. That's the 4th printing. Beautiful wraparound cover. I'm looking at Shredder on the back of this. I'll show you in a second. 9.4. All right. It's a good start, guys. Anything over a 9.0 and we're winning. So this is called Off-White Pages, which is a little bit of a bummer. So first I'm looking at the cover. I love the, so this is not only an unveiling for me of grades, but also an unveiling for how I did with the signature box. This was my first go around with sending in for signatures, and I put the signature box up here across the brick, and I think I did mighty, mighty fine. Looking super, super pretty on that one. Next up, we've got 8. We've got 8 all together. Next up is TMNT #7. This is from the first series. This is #7 from 1986. 9.8. Get right on out of here. Yes. This is the first color Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles in a 4-page story by Kevin Eastman. This is a beaut, guys. I even put the SIG in a dope spot. Look at that, right below the moniker for Turtles. He did it in green, Kevin Eastman. 9.8. I am stunned. Like, super floored, guys. I'm sorry. I want to continue the video and I wanted to make this one quick, but damn, that is awesome. Guys, that is genuine happiness on my face. I cannot believe that. I told you, 8.5 or 9.0, that's exceeding wild expectations. All right, the Adventures #1. I can already see that it is a 8.5. I didn't mean to peek. I wanted to check the page quality, and then I wound up seeing the grade. So it's at 8.5, which is like right on par with my expectations. This would be a great book to have in like super high grade. I think the 9.8s go for like 1,500 or something crazy right now. This is first comic book appearance of Krang, Bebop, and Rocksteady, of course. I think it's also first colored headbands for the Turtles as well. This is an 8.5. Again, he did the signature in that nice green, which I really, really like. And I think my signature placement was really cool. Right there in between the Adventures and Turtles. Right there. So these are all going to be yellow label. These were all signed by Kevin Eastman. Super cool. Next up, another Adventures. This is the other one. I'm thinking 8.5, 9.0, the max. Probably not even a 9.0. 9.4 white pages, guys. White pages. Signature is a little high for me. Maybe I did that. Maybe, I don't know. Signature, I'm not going to trip over nickels. I'm super happy that it's a 9.4. So the signature's a little high. I was shooting for like in between Turtles and Adventures, like on the other book. But I mean, who cares, right? Are you kidding me? 8.5 and a 9.4. The 8.5 is off-white to white pages. The 9.4 is sporting those beautiful white pages. I'm a happy camper right there. Selfie. Awesome. Guys, I'm super stoked so far. I was expecting like disaster, right? You guys have seen some of my books where I'm like high hopes and it's like wah wah, right? But not here. I actually had low expectations and now it's payoff. This is a TMNT, the last Ronin. Oh, this is the 1 in 10, the variant, the 1 in 10 incentive in a 9.8. Like I said, there was a shot at a good grade on this book. A 9.8, I was not sure what they were going to do with the natural seam. If you're familiar with the book, The Last Ronin, it's a little oversized and it's got this automatic dimple that goes down, and I thought that was going to crush the grade. I guess they didn't shoot you in the foot for it, because I got a 9.8 in this. And the signature is really awesome. I put it like in the lightning in the bottom, or whatever that is along the on the ground. But super cool. I already have this book in a 9.8, but not signed. So I'm super happy to add this. If you guys don't know, I'm a TMNT fan from when I was a little boy. My little brothers loved TMNT, so I'm a fan. I love this stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so 3 more, guys. All right, last Ronin. This is the Ashcan. Ooh, a 9.6. Get out of here. I thought maybe a 9.2 would be the max on these Ashcans because they were not perfect. But I'm super happy about that. And listen, 9.6, but look at how pretty that signature is. He did it in pink. Right in, that's where I wanted it, right in the moon or the sun, whatever you want to call it there. Really sport. I love the way that looks with the pink. Nice job, Kevin Eastman. Nice job, CGC. Before I say that, let me see if that's cracked. No, I'm just kidding. It did look like it had some going on, but I think that's the well inside. Those large books, these are a pain. And last but not least, the other Ashcan in a 8.5. What? No, 9.4. Awesome. And again, with that beautiful pink placement right there in the moon. That is superb. 1, 2, 3, 7. There is one more. I was going to say, I know I had 8. TMNT number 5. The second printing from 1987, another wraparound cover. If you guys, I'll show you the cover in a second. 8.5. That's about what I thought. This is a variant wraparound cover, the second print. But again, the placement I thought was really cool right there in his shell. The back has the Sai from Raphael's Sai. But the placement of the signature, guys, check it out. It's a thing, right? I love being able to, I'm going to do some more of these. Yeah, this is every bit of an 8.5. Actually, guys, honest to God, 8.5 is a gift. This is a 7.5. I hate the crinkling that's on the cover. Apparently, they were in a good mood because this is scratching and clawing at an 8.5. Yeah, I would have graded it a 7.5 or an 8. I'm that jerk. So anyway, that is that, said the cat in the hat. Guys, I really appreciate you tuning in, bearing with me while I go through the shock of seeing these grades. Appreciate it. I appreciate the likes and the follows. I appreciate you checking me out, and I just appreciate you in general and the community. So I'll see you back next time. Peace.